Okay, we won't answer that question.
I don't drive this over 55.
Hello everybody. Oh, my voice sounds like complete and utter poo. Welcome back to the channel. On today's upload, today is a day of errands. We got a whole bunch of things to do. We get to put wheel spacers on an RS6. We're gonna go see our favorite friends at Westco Machine Shop and see if they can water jet out my bits and if the DXF file that I have created and the mini model works. If it does, we're one step closer to our prototype part, our brand new tool that we have created, and we're gonna be soon patenting. And we gotta drop off parts at UPS for chasing. So, today's gonna be fun. Guys, let's get into today's adventure before I get pulled over for vlogging and driving. Oh man, gosh. Oh, look, they're putting the plow trucks up for the winter. All right, we're here. Westco Machine Shop. So they're under new ownership, so I don't know if I can actually film in there, but I'm gonna film up to the door and then shut it off. And then we'll ask the right owners. But Westco Machine Shop, this place, freaking amazing. Drive, did we get the drive? Did I get the drive? I got the drive, all right, we got our files. Here's the skinny. Basically, the DXF file that we have doesn't work, and yeah, so it is what it is there. I gotta do something else. What that something else is, I don't know yet, because I have identified the fact that the file that we converted doesn't work on the software that we have for the water jet that I was given. But at the same time, there's something different about the program he's got and the program I got, and something's out here, and we're gonna take a fresh look at it later. So, on to our next adventure. RS7 things, here we come. Dun, 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 dun. All right, well, we made it to the next destination in our errand-filled day. Mr. Bill Harris with Harris Jewelers and his beautiful RS6. He wants to give it a little stance. Seven. I won't insult it like that. I'm sorry. So about a month or so ago, Bill bought a kit for the RS7 here. Whoops. Bill bought a kit for the RS7 that ECS makes to actually measure how much wheel space. If you want that exactly right measurement, there's actually a tool out there you can get for that. I think ECS had them on sale. You said for what, like $100 or something?
$100, normally 140.
Yeah, like they're like 140, 150 normally, plus their shipping or whatever. This is the size we came up with. What did we do? 20 mil all the way around? 20 and 17, okay. See? I don't even know what I'm doing here. But we got everything we need, extended lug studs for the front and the back. Oh, a lot of them. So many. And then all your wheel spacers. So not refundable once installed. You committed to this, right? We're doing this. Okay. Warranty officially voided. Let's put them in. So we got the 17.5 millimeters. These are going to go on the front. They are wheel spacers, exactly. These are hub centric, so they fit on the wheel, keep it all centered. And yeah, it's not rocket science, guys. Let's put them on. No, we've discussed, remember how many times we've discussed this F-150? This man wants to now tell me the F-150 is squeaking again. There's no.
Again?
No.
Yes.
No.
We're gonna go pick it up after here.
I don't work on Fords. I do not work on Fords. I quit. There ain't no Ford out there that has brakes like this. Holy hell. Is this why you look so young all the time? You're like constantly stretching your skin back into place. That's ridiculous. And you were rotating them also, you said, right? This is one of those cases. If you're ever trying to rotate the tires on your RS7, keep in mind, you just gotta go front to back. Reverse that, other way around. Yeah, it's fine, we got it. Let's do it. Wow. Wow, let's clean the lens and make sure you guys get this in 4K. That's ridiculous. Okay, so we got this side. That side, instant difference. Instant difference. Little things do make a huge difference, Bill.
Yes,
like,
they
that's
do.
insane.
That's what she said.
And all she wanted was 20 extra millimeters.
That's right.
That looks great. It's like right here, there's a little bit of poke right there, but the body line kind of like says it's okay. Man, that looks good. Yeah. All right, so the saucy formula on your RS7, if you have this wheel package, is a 17.5 in the front, 20 millimeter in the rear. Wait 4 weeks for your wheel studs because they're always on out of stock, and you can have one sexy RS6. Seven. I want an RS6. I will own an RS6, and I'm gonna beat you.
I
in
will
it.
own an RS6 as mine.
Yeah.
I want the wagon.
I'll take you up on that.
Yeah.
That would be better looking than this.
Oh, it is better looking.
I'm not dogging Audi by a design flaw, but this part of the car right here is cool. It's very deceptive of how big it is, but it reminds me too much of a BMW X6. And that is the only reason I don't like this car aesthetically past this point.
Bite your tongue.
I'm sorry.
Not a BMW.
That's why I want an RS6. RS6.
Not even close. BMW, not even close. Not even close.
Let's get the other side done. All right, so I'm gonna get spoiled here. Bill's like, you wanna go for a ride? I'm gonna enjoy his Alcantara suede headliner. Make it look presentable. What kind of radar tech are you rocking here? Looks like some pretty fine equipment.
Yeah, that's the Redline 360C.
Oh.
Works pretty good.
I bet it does.
The distance is definitely much further than the regular 360C.
Is it?
Yeah.
Like, so it's a noticeable
Difference on how far it picks up radar now.
How many tickets has it saved you from?
I don't drive this over 55.
Have you seen Cannonball where they like Countach stops, the chick gets out and spray paints over the 55 symbol? Oh, it's a great movie. If you guys don't know it, you should get on Google Play and watch it. It's fantastic.
This thing takes forever to warm up. Yeah, we finally got 10.
Oh.
So we'll turn around up here and have some fun.
So I forgot, I have a draggy now that works and functions.
Cool.
So we need to put this on the draggy.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. They say the draggy is like, it's spec. Like, it's supposed to be within thousandths of a second of accuracy. And I would really like to see what the RS7 can do.
That's 100.
Oh, you feel it. I love it.
We're averaging 6.3 miles per gallon. Locks
They
in.
need to just change the MPG to miles per gallon.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, no, I'm saying they should.
Oh, yeah.
Change it from MPG to like SMG.
Yeah.
SMG. Here we go.
Quarter mile.
So one time, so I gotta ask again though, I'm gonna instigate this. You're leaving now, so now we've got a timestamp. We'll take the RS7 and go do a standing mile with it. Or like a high-speed mile. Let's use all that dashboard. Well, before you sell it,
How fast do you think it'll go?
I think it'll do 180 without a problem.
Well, the performance is redlined or is governed at 193, I think, because I have the ceramic.
I feel like I've seen 1320 videos where these have gone stock like 160, 170.
Yeah, the stock one without the ceramics is governed at 170.
No, I'm saying like in the mile, like in the airport at those standing high top speed miles.
Yeah,
like,
I gotcha.
Because there's some that are local.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we can do them locally.
You're just out there by yourself?
No, it's an event.
Oh, I wouldn't want to be with somebody else.
Well, no, it's an event that hosts.
No, I know, but I mean, there's nobody run next to you.
No, no one's running next to you. You're on your. There's a competitive drag race for that though, that you can do, but you can go and just do it on your own. That's something.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to go that fast.
I'll drive.
Well, I'm sure you would.
I've been 180 on my own,
And
Like,
what kind of, how do we buy insurance?
we can actually, you can get insurance for that. There's a track day insurance. I want to say it's like $200 or $300 for the day. We're gonna dive more into this. I'm not gonna hold the camera in our face. We're gonna talk about this. All right, guys, I'll be back because you can't see shit. It's dark as hell in here anyways. So, uno momento, por favor.